This is a gaming mouse by Razer. It is the Basilisk V3 Customizable Ergonomic Gaming Mouse. It has 10 programmable buttons, Razer Hyper Scroll Tilt Wheel, and 11 Razer Chroma RGB lighting zones. So it can be, you can program it to have different colors. My son is a gamer, and all of the Razer products that we have, we've loved. We've never had any issues with them at all, so I don't expect this would be any different. You have your USB plug. So yeah, definitely recommend. I always am comfortable going with Razer products because I know that they're good quality, they last, and once you have the app, I mean, everything is pretty easy to just hook up and go from there. So the Razer for gamers by gamers Basilisk V3.